In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free credits in Base44, updated for 2026. If you want to add credits to your Base44 account using a coupon or gift card code, this process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your own workspace without confusion. First, go to the Base44 website and sign in so you can access your workspace. Once you're inside, make sure you're on your main workspace screen. This is important because the credit redemption option is located inside your account settings, not on the public homepage. From your workspace, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on your profile. This usually opens the account menu where personal and workspace options are stored. If you don't immediately see the right option, just take a second to scan the menu carefully. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage account-related options, including billing and credit information. Settings is the key place for anything related to usage, plans, and account configuration. So that's where we need to be for this tutorial. Once you're in Settings, click on Credit Usage. This section shows information related to how your credits are being used and, more importantly for this tutorial, where you can redeem additional credits. After that, scroll down until you find the section called Redeem a Coupon or Gift Card. Depending on your screen size, this may be lower on the page, so keep scrolling until you see that exact area. Take your time here because it's easy to miss if you scroll too quickly. When you find it, enter your coupon or gift card code into the input field. Be careful when typing the code. It's a good idea to paste it directly if possible, because even a small typo can prevent the code from working. Also make sure there aren't any extra spaces before or after the code. Finally, click Apply. Base44 will then process the code, and if it's valid, the credits should be added to your account. At that point, you can usually confirm the update in the same credit usage area. That's all it takes to redeem free credits in Base44. If your code doesn't work right away, double check the spelling, formatting, and expiration details, then try again. And that's how to get free credits in Base44 in 2026.